Now we are going to see the sum. Unit 5, exercise 5.2, question number 8. See the question. The abscissa of a point A is equal to its ordinate and its distance from the point B of 1, 3 is 10 units. What are the coordinates of A? What are the coordinates of A? Which one we have to find out? We have to find out coordinates of A. In the solution, to find coordinates of A. We know the point coordinates of A. We don't know. That is only we have to find out. Okay. Coordinates means in that place x coordinate and y coordinate. So the points x value and y value we have to find out. Okay. We have to find out the two values, the points. Okay. That we have to take, let the points, we don't know the points, that's why let the points A, we don't know, that's why we have to take, let the points of A is equal A comma A. We only take it. Okay. And then which one is given that? B is given that. In the question B is given. B of 1, 3 is given. Okay. So B of 1, 3. B is equal 1, 3 is given. And then what is given that? Is 10. 10 units were given. No. What is the value? Its distance. Which distance? A to B. It is distance from the point B is 10 units. Is means equal. Is means equal. So the distance from A to B is equal 10 units. That is distance. Distance AB. Distance AB is equal how much? 10. Okay, clear. Now, what are the coordinates of A? We have to find out what are the coordinates of A. So, that's why we have to take the point A of A comma A. We have to take it and B is given. So, A and B. We have that A and B. So, distance AB is equal to 10 is given. Okay, now we have to take the formula, distance AB formula. You know that? Distance AB formula. What is the distance AB formula? Square root of yes, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is equal to 10. Okay. Then we have to apply the values for x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay. Now we have to take A. A value is x1, y1 and B value is x2, y2. Okay. So now you have to apply the values. X2. What is the value of x2? X2 is equal 1. So square root of 1 minus, formula minus x1. That is the value x1. x1 A. We only take the points A. Coordinates of A. Okay. Whole square. Plus y2. What is the value of y2? y2 value is 3. 3 minus y1. y1 value is A. Whole square is equal to 10. Okay. Next. Square root of 1 minus A whole square plus 3 minus A whole square. If you see the 1 minus A whole square means you know very well we have to apply the formula. What is the formula? A plus B. A minus B whole square is equal A square minus 2AB plus B square. We know that formula. Okay. So you have to apply the formula. Square root of 1 minus A whole square is equal to A minus B whole square. So A square. That is the value A. 1. So 1 square. And then minus 2 AB. AB. Multiplying the value. 2. 1 2s are 2 into A. 2A. And then what is the plus B square? Plus B square. B means A. So a square. Okay, this is the first bracket. And then put the plus symbol. And 3 minus a whole square, the same formula, a minus b whole square formula. Okay, apply that first one, a square. A square means 3 square. 3 square minus 2 into 3 into a. Okay, and then plus b square. B square means a square. Okay, next is equal 10. That is given. AB, distance from A to B is equal 10, given that question. Okay, that value also you have to write it. Okay, next to simplify this, 1 square means 1 square root of 1 square, 1 minus 2a plus a square, and then put the plus symbol. 3 square. 3 square means multiplying by 2 times. 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9 minus 2 3s are 6. 6a plus remaining a square is equal to 10. Next, see the values. A square plus a square. So 2a square. For collecting the like terms. Collecting the like terms. A square plus a square, 2a square. Put the square root symbol. 2a square and then 6a minus 6a minus 2a. Okay, what is that value? Minus 8a. And then constant. Plus 9 plus 1. Totally 10. Plus 10 is equal to 10 is given. Okay. Next, we have to apply the one. Next, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides means you have to write the given value. 2a square minus 8a plus 10. Okay, squaring on both sides means put the bracket and power 2. That is squaring on both sides is equal to 10 is there, no? So you have to write 10 power 2. That is the power 2. Squaring on both sides means you have to take the square value on both sides. Okay, square root symbol is there. Here square root symbol is there. Okay, next what we have to do? Here, you know that rule, square root symbol and square is there means cancel. Two of them cancel. That is one of the rule. In before sum also we have to apply. We had to apply. So, square root symbol and square value have means cancel that too. If you need means you have to write the rough column. Cancel square root symbol and square. The two also cancel. If you need means you have to write the rough column. Okay. So now I cancel the square root symbol and square value. Okay. So what is the remaining is there? 2a square minus 8a then plus 10 is equal to, okay, is equal. Here square is cancelled. This place square is cancelled. No. If any square root symbol is there means we have to cancel, or else no, cancel the square. Okay, now we have to take the multiple of 2 times in 10. 10 square means 10 into 10. Multiple of the value. Multiple of the value means what is the answer? 10 into 10, 100. Okay, next. See the equation. 2a square minus 8a plus 10. In front of the a before have one coefficient 2. So now we have to apply, divide the equation by 2. This equation divide by 2. 2a square divide by 2 means remaining 2 cancel. 2 by 2 cancel. So a square. And then minus 4 by 2. 8 by 2. 8 by 2 4a. And then 10 by 2. 10 by 2 plus 5 is equal 100 by 2. 100 by 2 means what is the answer? 50. So you have to divide this equation, divide by 2. Okay. Next, the positive number, this 50, move to left hand side means negative number, negative 50. So you change into a square minus 4a plus 5. This value 50 is moving inside that right hand side, left hand side. So minus 50 is equal to 0. Next subtract this 2 value. Subtract this 2 value. So a square minus 4a. Different sign subtract. Minus 50 plus 5. Different sign subtract. Subtract means minus and put the greater number sign. Okay. Different sign subtract and put the greater number symbol. Minus 45 is equal to 0. Now see the equation. This is quadratic equation. If you solve the quadratic equation, you get the two values for a. How to solve? Remember that in that middle place, always sum of the two numbers. If you sum of two numbers means you get this answer. If you multiplying the two numbers, you get this answer. Okay, that is the rule. Sum of the two numbers minus 4 we get it, and then product of. If you product of the two numbers, you get this answer. So, okay, now we have to select the table. Say the table. If you select the table, you get these values. Okay. For example, 145, 45. If you multiplying two numbers, you get this value 145, 45. Okay. 1 into 45. 145 are 45. If you multiplying two numbers, you get this answer. Okay. At the same table, if you add the two numbers, you get this minus 4. If you add 1 plus 45, you get that minus 4? No. So, you doesn't select the table. Clear? Okay. Now, then, 2 table is come? No, not possible. And then next 5 table. 5 nines are 45. 5 nines are 45. Okay. If you multiplying the two numbers, you get 45. Okay. So, you have to select that. And then, if you add sum of, another one rule, that you select the same table, multiplying that answer, you get it, and addition means you got it this answer. Okay. 5, 9. If you put the plus symbol means, 9 plus 5, 14. Okay, not possible. So, which sign you have to put? Okay, if you put the minus symbol for 9 and plus symbol for 5 means minus 9 plus 5. What is the answer? Different sign subtract and put the greater number symbol. So, you have to select 5 nines are. Clear here? Can you apply the sign also? Okay. 5, 9. You have to select 5 nines are 45. 5 nines are 45. And then put the sign. How to put the sign? Already I told you no. So, minus 9 plus 5. Clear? Can you understand how to take the tables? Okay. Now, you have to write the values. What is the value? Plus 5. Plus 5, one of the value. A plus 5. And then another one value, a minus 9. What is the value is there? A minus 9 equal to 0. This is the solving for quadratic equation. This also you had studied the 8th standard factor size in your topic. Okay, you know very well. Okay, next a plus 5. A plus 5 is equal to 0. And then a minus 9 equal to 0. Finally, a is equal plus 5 going that opposite means minus 5. Minus 9 moving this opposite side means plus 9. So, what is the value? A equal to 9. Okay, now you got it there. A values for minus 5 and plus 9. Okay, what is our aim? We have to find out coordinates of A. Coordinates of A means we have to take it A comma A. So, therefore coordinates of A. What is the value? Minus 5 comma 9. That is our solution. Okay. Can you understand here? Okay. See the next sum.